So guys, in this training course, I will try to teach you how to earn money on complete autopilot using automated trading. And in this lesson, we will talk about the holy grail of modern automated trading, expert advisors, or simply put, trading robots, about trading bots. So, friends, if you are still trading manually, sitting in front of your monitor, trying to catch entry points, sweating over price charts, and arguing with your indicators, then it's time to admit that bots trade much better than we do. And it's not because they're smarter, although sometimes it does seem that way. It's because they don't get tired, don't get nervous, and don't make silly mistakes. In other words, they don't mess around. So to speak, they operate according to a clearly defined algorithm and provide us with a stable, automated income. But let's take it step by step. Alright, let's get started with gold. What is an expert advisor? An expert advisor. Guys, it's a program built into the MetaTrader 5 platform that automatically opens, manages, and closes trades. In other words, a trading bot is your personal trader who works around the clock according to a clearly defined algorithm. It doesn't take lunch breaks, doesn't ask for vacations, doesn't argue with you in chat, and doesn't blow your deposit because of silly emotional outbursts. It operates strictly according to the algorithm embedded in its code, or more precisely, according to an effective strategy created by a person and written as program code. So, a trading bot follows all the rules of the trading strategy precisely, accurately, and without panic. Guys, I understand that right now, every beginner watching this video is standing on the edge of the unknown, and everything seems so unfamiliar, dangerous, and complicated. In reality, automated trading is much simpler than if you were trading on the financial market manually. So, let's go to my platform, and I'll show you everything right now. So guys, what does an expert advisor or trading bot look like? If you thought it was some kind of mythical creature with a human-like body made of metal and a head full of microchips, then I have to disappoint you, or maybe on the contrary, make you happy. A trading bot looks like a program written in a programming language. And using this programming language just like this, you see there's a lot of code, and that's thousands of lines of code. In this case, it's almost 1,500 lines of code. The trading strategy is described here. Then, the programmer who wrote all of this, who created the program, compiles it. They create a file, which is then installed directly into the MetaTrader platform, ensuring that it is properly set up and ready to use. In the MetaTrader platform, we have the ability to set up and install expert advisors, that is, trading bots. This file, which will then trade automatically for you, for your convenience. How is this done? We open any asset, for example, the euro against the Australian dollar. We drag the expert advisor file onto the price chart of this asset. The expert advisor file. It contains a lot of settings. All of this can be configured, and there are special files for automatic configuration. We click the button, okay, and the trading bot is installed on the platform. What does it do next? The trading bot analyzes the price chart, finds trading opportunities according to the strategy that is programmed into it by the system, and automatically makes trades. I can demonstrate to you these trades and how they look in particular in this case on the price chart. So, these lines here are the entry point and the exit point. Here we sold, and here we locked in the profit. When the price drops, that is, we speculate using CFD contracts on the price difference of the asset. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 price charts and a trading bot. There is a highly advanced trading bot placed on each individual price chart. It carefully analyzes the market, makes trading decisions, and these trades typically become profits or, less frequently, result in losses. I've been testing this trading bot for the past 2 weeks. This is my new bot. And as you can see, these blue ones represent the profits earned. So here it's $8, $5, $11, a loss of $18, then a profit of $10, $9, $9, and so on. I kept going, testing this expert advisor on a real account for 2 weeks, and I'm testing it before publishing. And so, in just a couple of weeks, it earned me $441. That's how the trading bot works. After that, I can either withdraw this money or leave it so that these funds can be used to capitalize my trading account. In other words, the expert advisor will use larger trade sizes, make bigger trades, and earn even more. This is how we get the profitability chart of the trading bot. As you can see, there's nothing complicated here. I just drag the expert advisor file onto the price chart, it analyzes the chart and makes trades. Here I have the history of the trades that were made displayed. And in this way, I have, for clarity, profit in my trading account. What this profit looks like historically, that is, over time, we get a certain profitability chart that we receive. So, guys, right now we're on my MQL5 profile and we can open the profitability chart of the trading bot I showed you, which I'm currently testing on the platform, and you can see that yes, that's $440. It earned me that amount of money over a few weeks during the testing phase, which was a period dedicated to evaluating the performance of the system. And in this way, I have many different trading accounts. These are only the ones that I have chosen to make public for all of my products, so there are actually more accounts in total. You can look at the detailed profitability charts for each individual trading bot that I sell, which are available for your review. You can see what they look like in reality, how our capital gradually grows over time, and observe the actual results achieved by these trading bots in real market conditions. Thanks to the trades made by the expert advisors. For example, on this account, the expert advisor earned a 70% profit. So, if you had invested in trading $10,000, at this point you would already have $17,000 in just 6 months. That's how automated trading works. Guys, now a bit about why automated trading is better than manual trading. So, manual trading is like getting into an old, beat-up car with a manual transmission that coughs and stalls at every lamppost. But automated trading is like a brand new, powerful SUV that will get you to any location without any problems, as comfortably and quickly as possible. But automated trading is even better than that, because even the newest, most comfortable and most advanced car still needs to be driven manually, at least a little. But a trading bot works completely automatically. You set it up on the trading platform, spending just a few minutes to do so. After that, it can run on full autopilot for years and bring you automatic profit. In my training course, I will do my best to teach you how to turn automated trading into a source of stable, consistent income, or how to use automated trading to create your own personal investment fund right on your home computer. So, see you soon.